Hey guys, this is Andrew with AMT Tactical. Today we're going to be pulling soil tests from the backyard and from the front yard. I have a soil probe, which I've marked at 6 inches to know how far down to push to get a good root depth for the soil. Just have an empty bucket to put the cores into. We're using the Yard Mastery test kit, and inside there's a prepackaged envelope and a container that you mix in your dirt with, and you put it inside the package and ship it, and it's prepaid shipping. Add in 1 scoop and then send it off. And the last few times I've done the Yard Mastery test, I've received my results within a few days. Let's get to it. So we'll mix that all up in this bucket and make sure we pull any roots and grass that are still in it out before we put it into the container. So now I need to do the front, and then I'll show you how to package it up. I pulled about 7 or 8 cores from the front and about 7 or 8 cores from the back. That's what it looks like. And we'll go break them all up, put them in the packaging, and get them in the mail. Okay, now that we have our samples pulled, since we're doing 2 separate ones, I labeled which one is the back, which one is the front. We're going to combine all the samples together, crush them up. If there's any rocks or roots or sticks, we'll make sure we pull those out, so we're having nothing but the soil go into the test. Now, using the provided scoop, we'll put 1 scoop of the dirt into the jar containing the DI water. I want to make sure there's no roots. Okay, so now we have our second scoop done. We'll add this one to the prepaid envelope. There we go. Okay, now that we have them packaged up, we can send them out in the mail, and then we can go onto the Yard Mastery app or their website and enter in our registration numbers, and when the results are ready, we'll know. So the reason we wanted to have this soil test done now is because we want to have a game plan going into the fall season. Now, it's been about 45 days since any amendments have been made to the soil. I water every 3 days with half an inch of water. So anything that was added has had a chance to really get down and won't skew any of the results. Now, last year my soil test showed a low pH and high phosphorus. So I'm hoping after 2 applications of lime that the pH has started to come up, and hopefully with that correction, the grass has had a chance to utilize phosphorus in the soil. If you've never performed a soil test, I will strongly recommend you doing it, because you need to know what your soil needs in order to grow healthy turf. So check back soon. We will show the results. I will gladly answer any questions you guys have about any of your soil test results. And be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. Coming up next, we will be having videos on fungicide applications and also on Hydrotain and what it can do to help you reduce watering. And then after that, we will be doing a full renovation on my neighbor's property and also a fall overseed on my property, both the front and the back. Have a great day.